Hey guys, I got this vacuum sealer as a gift from the brand to make a review on, so let's dive in. I'm going to show you how it works and tell you everything about it. This comes with 10 vacuum sealer bags, a rechargeable cable, the vacuum sealer itself, and a manual. I like how the vacuum sealer is slim, it fits perfectly into your hands, and it doesn't take up much room for storage. The steps to using this is super easy. The first thing you're going to need to do is put your food inside of the bag, and then use the provided sealing clips to seal it. And it should look like this, and then you're going to take the vacuum sealer and align it with that white port and press the button to start. The machine will automatically stop once the vacuum is complete. If there's any liquid in the water tank, you need to wipe it dry and empty it to avoid moisture affecting the internal air pressure. This is a great vacuum sealer that's easy to use. It makes your food last 5 times longer. You can use this on meats, fruits, and veggies. Overall, definitely recommend.